How many people do you know that have migraine headaches? They have back pain, sciatica, and neck issues? How many people do you know that have asthma and allergies and GI issues? The thing is that everybody has friends and family members and coworkers that have these health problems. And these people don't know where to turn. And so I want to reach out to you today and let you know that we have workshops that can teach people how their body functions and how their body heals and the role that their spine and nervous system plays in it, and what they need to do to truly regain their health so that they can live the quality of life that they want to live. And so we have workshops on stretching and exercising. We have workshops on stress reduction, and we have workshops on how to boost your immune system. And so if you have a group of friends or family members, I want you to invite them to the workshops that we have in our office. But I also want you to know that we take our workshops outside the office. So we go to churches, we go to businesses, and we go to civic groups, and we give these workshops free of charge so that those people can live healthier lives. And so I'm just going to encourage you to think about that group or those family members that you know needs to hear this information, and let us know how we can get in front of them or how we can bring them into the office. Because I truly believe that what we do in our office has the ability to change their life. And so I just want to thank you ahead of time for thinking about these people, and then let us know how we can better serve them.